Kasich, Director of Sales and Culinary Manager for Cadco Ltd. And today I want to introduce the Bakerlux series of countertop convection ovens. Today we're going to show some features and benefits on our Bakerlux ovens, as well as doing a quick demonstration with some freezer to oven chocolate chip cookies. We've preheated the Bakerlux oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Our baking temperature is 300 degrees Fahrenheit and a baking time of 10 minutes. As you can see, due to superior airflow and convective action, the Bakerlux outperforms any oven. Once the cook cycle is complete, the oven will signal and the door light will flash. The Cadco Bakerlux results are second to none. From the most delicate baked goods to the most succulent proteins, the Cadco Bakerlux gives you the versatility to create culinary success. The Cadco Bakerlux ovens come in two different door designs, a drop-down door and a right-side opening door. Combined with a high-polished stainless steel cavity and an easy-to-maintain door design, cleaning and maintenance is simple. All internal racking is made of high-polished stainless steel and is easily removable for cleaning and maintenance. The patented fan design ensures even airflow and even heat distribution, resulting in the ultimate consistency. A heavy-duty silicone-based door gasket will ensure a tight door-to-cavity seal, easily cleaned for regular maintenance and fully replaceable. Bakerlux ovens are available in 3 different control panel options. The Go panel, which is our dedicated 120-volt panel, offers standard time and temperature control, programmability, and step baking functions. The LED panel is available in all 220-volt drop-down door models. Along with the Go panel features, the LED offers variable fan speed control and humidity injection. Finally, the touch panel is available in both drop-down door and right-side opening door models, and offers a graphic touch-based control to simplify operation. Bakerlux ovens are available with accessories that both complement and expand the role of your oven setup. From proofers to oven stands and stacking kits, fitting Cadco Bakerlux ovens into your operation is easier than ever. And now available is a ventless hood system designed specifically for Bakerlux. For more information, visit www.cadco-ltd.com. The Cadco Bakerlux Convection Oven. How does your oven compare?